There was also a question there about, as you said, yung when the articles of impeachment were circulated to the members of the House and whether they were accompanied by evidence for each of the articles charged. Bakit po natin ito hindi sinagot?
Again, it is part of the internal workings as nakalagay naman po doon sa sagot ng Solicitor General na kasama na po to dun sa parte na po to ng proseso ng House of Representatives na hindi specific na nakalagay ang requirements naman sa mga rules sa Constitution at pasok naman po siya sa mga legislative discretionary power ng House to conduct. Ang importante, yung pag-initiate ng impeachment process ay ayon po sa Constitution, ayon sa rules at ayon sa prevailing jurisprudence.
So, attorney, practically ni-reverse yung Francisco decision, yung Francisco judicial precedent.
Hindi ko pa po nababasa, sir, ang buong decision, no? Kung magbabasihan natin yung announcement lang kanina parang, pero gusto natin din makita kung ano yung naging mga discussion doon sa naging decision. Hopefully from there we would see how best that the House can respond to this.
In the meantime, habang, of course, this decision is a little bit unexpected because the Supreme Court got together en banc today for a special session. You guys have heard rumors, kami din, may narinig kami rumors earlier in the week, but nevertheless, you know, this is coming as a bit of a surprise. In the meantime, what has the prosecution panel done? Is it continuing on with its preparations for an impeachment, fully expecting that an impeachment trial will take place?
Yes po. Until we heard about this news today, tuloy-tuloy naman po ang paghahanda ng panel of prosecutors natin. Tuloy-tuloy yung pagprepara ng pagpepresenta ng pieces of evidence kung sakaling matuloy ang impeachment trial.